What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Bentley Azure that we have right here in Marlin color, which is obviously, if you're standing right here right now, you'll notice that this car is actually in blue. So the interior of this car is called Portland, and also they have this Brunel interior as well. So Portland is like this lighter finish, and then the Brunel is like the, Portland is like the darker finish, or lighter finish, then Brunel is like the darker finish. And you also have some wood trimmings on the inside, which is the open pore kind of a finish. So let us first start off with the exterior part of the car, and the main thing that I love the most would be the front logo that we have right here with the lights right inside there. Can you see what I mean? It's amazing, dude. So let us first start off with the front lights that we have right here. Now the cars will lock shortly in a while more, but we'll open up them later. But take a look at these gorgeous lights, man, dude. You have this chrome finish of a lining around it. There are some Bentleys that you purchase time, there is an option to make these rings in black. But in this case, this gorgeous car has the chrome bright finish around it. So matches really well with the front grills, the bottom finishes that we have right here. So beautiful. Now let's take a look right down here. You have this amazing linings that we have right here with some openings for air to flow through on that side. The bottom right here, you have this beautiful finish of a front bottom grille in this bright chrome finish. Goes really well against this blue of the car. Now you have these vertical lines right here in this chrome lining, gorgeous as well. You have your 360 camera right at the front right here. You got some sensors located right there, so it's a beautiful finish indeed. Number plate goes right down here as well. You do have some sensors happening all over the place at the front, including towards the side as well. Now for the top part of the car, you do get this bright chrome finish right in the center. I love how this actually looks, man. Matches really well with every chrome finish that you get. And this is just the front. We have not even gone to the side just yet. The center right here, this Bentley word, I love how when you unlock the car, it just pops up. You also get some lines at the side right here, where if you open up the front hood, you just open up the centerpiece right here, which comes up at the side right here as well. Very cool. Let's take a look once more. If we were to unlock, how does this look like? Very cool, right? Beautiful, man. Love it. Then the light slowly comes in, I believe, hopefully. Or maybe later once I open up the doors. But nevertheless, let's take a look at the wheels. You have this bright finish of a wheel. Beautiful design, very clean-like finish. Love how straight it is right here, right now. You got your Bentley logo right there. You got the Bentley wordings on the brake calipers. You got your solid discs right at the rear. They're using Pirelli tires on this particular unit, and tire size is 275/35R22, guys. Beautiful finish of a wheel, guys. Check it out. Love the bright finishes that's happening with the chrome and then the blue that's on it. Absolutely amazing. So the side right here, you have this chrome-like finish with some black linings on the inner part right here. Amazing as well. The bottom right here, you have the Azure wording right here, also in this chrome finish. Now at the side of the bottom of the car, you do get this bright chrome finish that goes across from the front all the way down to the rear. Beautiful as well. Take a look from the side. Amazing car. Now for the top part, for your side mirrors, you do have some chrome lining that goes across the whole side of the car and joins back down here, and then it continues back right to the front. So you have this chrome finish at the top as well, together with your door handles that are also in this chrome finish as well. So beautiful. Side mirrors follow the body color. Very, very nice. Beautiful. So let's open up the doors and let's take a look at what we are looking at down here. So you do get your Bentley logos right here at the floor, but you notice there are some movement happening right here because it's a projector-like finish where it's not just a stagnant logo, but there are movements for this particular piece as well. So hopefully you guys can see it. If not, you all can visit this place right here and check it out for yourselves in person. But beautiful interior, guys. Now the bright finish right we have right here with all this texture-like finish is Portland. These ones right here is called Brunel, so nice. And these ones right here are the open pore with the wood finishing that we have right here. So it's on this black finish as well, so beautiful. Now we will look at the interior in a while more, but before that, you do get your ambient lighting right here at the door side. Amazing. You do have the stitching right here, contra, right? So I love how the bright finish stitches are on the dark side, the dark stitches are on the bright side, so very cool indeed. Even down here as well, you get the same texture. Can you see what I mean? Beautiful, man. Love it. So door handles on this side right here, you open up, you got your lock and unlock right here, you got this metal finish for your window adjustments, you got your memory seats right here, you got 2 of them, compartment storage down here, you got your name sound system on this side right here. Love the grill, damn beautiful. So some airflow happening right there to not let the side mirrors be fogged up. Beautiful finish. So the side right here, you got the Bentley wording that's lighted up. On this side for your side plates, you got the AZURE wording right here. Hope I'm saying it right, but handcrafted in Crewe, England. That's exactly what it says right here. Beautiful. So in the inner part right here, you do get once again the Portland interior, right, with the Brunel. So you do have this suede finish on this side. Got this other stuff that's happening on here. Very, very nice indeed. You do have the stitching right on the seats, and you do get this amazing textured like finish of a design for the Bentley seats. Just check it out, man, dude. Amazing, dude. Beautiful. Love the finishing of the seats as well. You got all sorts of adjustments happening down here. You got your lumbar support, and you have your reclining seats, leg extensions down here as well. Beautiful, man, dude. Amazing. Love how plush the carpets are. Very soft and nice. They have it over here as well, padded very well. Glove compartment is right down here. Amazing finish. You do have this chrome-like finish of a handle to open up. AZURE wording right there. The open pore wood trimming that goes across towards the other side. You do have your air vents right here that you can shut off as well. Beautiful dashboard in the Brunel finish, together with some Portland finish on the inner part of it. So the top portion is definitely in that darker finish. And the roof lining, you get it in this Portland kind of like color as well. So beautiful. You do get some glass roof on the top right as well. So now let's open up the rear and take a look at the doors from the back on this side. So passenger doors for the rear, you do have the top section right here in Brunel, and the bottom section right here, the middle section, in other words, because that's also in Brunel. This will be in Portland. So love the textured like finish on this side. Amazing. Door handles right here. You got your lock and your unlock also as well. Memory seats are located on this side. You got your seat adjustments on this side for reclining purposes. And I'm not sure if I press it right now. Okay, yeah, the car needs to be on in order for me to do that. But nevertheless, yeah, cool. You do have your window adjustments right here. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down here. You got your NIME sound system on this side in this Brunel color finish. Beautiful. And also your rear doors, you do get your welcome badging as well. Love it how there's some movement going on. Can you guys see what I mean? Can you guys see that? It's beautiful. So side of the doors, you do get the Bentley wording right here and the AZURE wording with the handcrafted in Crewe, England. Beautiful finish for this. Love how the bottom piece on this side right here is in this Brunel finish, and then you got the Portland finish on half the other side. Once again, the seats, dude. I mean, perforated seats. Love the finishing. The stitching on this is absolutely superb. Especially the favorite part of mine is the upper portion right here. As you can see, there's some different kind of finishing at every pointy stuff at the bottom, right? So it does look very good. Love the Bentley stitching right there. You got this Napa leather finish of a pillow, soft pillow where you can rest your head. You got amazing storage space down here to keep some stuff. Your air vent adjustments on this side, so it's a beautiful finish as well. Air vent adjustments on this side. Very cool setup indeed. So amazing, dude. You get your glass roof happening right on top also as well. So it's very cool and very nice mirrors as well for that. Now, very cool setup, man, dude. Love the suede finish. And also the centerpiece right here, you have it in this Brunel finish together with the whole center console of that. So beautiful touch, man, dude. Amazing. So the side wheels, before we head right down to the back of the car, they have it once again in this bright finish of a wheel, 22-inch. The Bentley logo right there with some Bentley words around it, similar towards the front. Amazing. Solid disc brakes right there on the inside part right there. Black brake calipers that we see right there as well. Pirelli tires once again, and tire size would be 315/30 R22. Amazing wheel finish. Love how the chrome goes across still the back of the car. So now let's take a look at the rear. Once again, I believe this should be, of course, your AC charging, because this is a plug-in hybrid. So very cool indeed. Let's close that back. Now for the rear, you do have this chrome lining all over the front of the car, towards the back and the side also as well. So beautiful finish. I love how it goes around the number plate as well. I like how it stops halfway on this side. You see what I mean? So beautiful. Bentley wording in chrome, this bright finish. You have your boot opening right here. If you press the B, we will do that in a while more, but love the badging. Rear lights look absolutely beautiful. Now we'll turn them on shortly in a while more to show it to you guys, but before that, let's take a look for the rear. Of course, this is a brand new car and we will not be touching any of this, but nevertheless, charger. And check out the boot space, the finishing of this. Amazing finish, man, dude. Love the quality of this, dude. Really love it. Beautiful. Warning triangle is located on this side right here. You got your closing of the boot, locking as well. So let's close the boot once again. Take a look. Amazing finish. Beautiful. Love it. Of course, petrol tank is on this side, but you got to be turning on the car to do it. But let's take a look at the rear doors for this car. Once again, for the right side, similar finish towards the left side. Memory seats. You got your Brunel finish. You got the Portland finish right below, right there. Similar as well. Bentley wording right here. The AZURE wording, and then also handcrafted in Crew England. Love the interior once again. Finishing is superb, man, dude. Love how this looks. Beautiful. Check out the center view. Beautiful. Top view. Amazing. So now, let's take a look at the driver's seat. And there we go. So for the wood trimming, you notice it's only towards the front passenger door, the dashboard, and of course the driver door as well. So you got a passenger, driver, front dashboard together with your driver door. But for the rear, you don't get the wooden finish over there, so that's fair enough. You do get the Portland finish right here once again. Some black finish on this side. Ambient lighting located right on the inner part right there, as you can see. You got the Brunel finish at the top right here, and then once again you have the Portland finish right here. Compartment storage down here. Memory seats are 2. Boot opening on this side, and also you have your refuel cap on that side. 9 sound system. So you have your Bentley lighting right here, the welcome light. Handles to open up the doors located on this side, so beautiful as well. Lock unlock is located right there on the inside, so beautiful touch. Once again, the Bentley together with the AZURE wording right there, and they do have the same thing again, handcrafted in Crew England. Pedals right here, absolutely amazing. Love the B that's located right on the pedal, and also the accelerator pedal is in this chrome finish together with this black finish. Love the soft carpets that come with the car. Seat adjustments, electronic, all over the place. Love the interior of this car. Now the steering wheel, you do get the Brunel finish that's happening all around the exterior part of the steering. The inner part is in this Portland finish, so amazing stitching as well, to contrast stitching for the car. Over here you have it as well, so you got the Brunel finish on the interior, centerpiece with some contrast stitching that's happening with the car as well. So beautiful. Let's hop right in and take a look of what we are looking at. So amazing steering wheel once again. Lighting adjustments are all on this side. We'll turn them on later in a while more. You get this beautiful setup of a screen. Love the finish of this. And you do have your Bentley logo with your clock right there, your B and the P right here. Love the leather finish that's wrapping around the gear, and all sorts of controls that you have right here in the center menu. Now these are a lot to take in. I'm not so sure if, to go through one by one, but definitely they are very straightforward for you guys to understand. Just take a look and pause the video and see if you like. Zoom back out. Okay, cool. So start button is on this side. You got your E mode, you got your all sorts of other settings that you can choose from. 360 camera is what I believe this is, maybe. Shade adjustments, you got your parking. Down here, of course, is the most obvious, the cup holders that we have for the car right here. You got your air vent adjustments on this side, that side, and also you got your temperature adjustment for this side and this side. Beautiful. Drive, reverse, neutral, the OK wording for the screen, of course, to turn on, but nevertheless, let's try and give this car some life. But check that out, man, dude. Amazing indeed, man. I love how the screen actually just turns. Check that out. Beautiful. See what I mean? Absolutely amazing, man, dude. Beautiful. So you have this beautiful setup of a screen that we have on this side right here. Driving mode, I believe you got EV drive as well. And you got all sorts of other settings that you guys can actually choose from. But nevertheless, when driving time, you guys can figure it out when you guys need to actually drive the car in a certain way. But yeah, down here you have your 2 Type-C charging. You got your 12-volt socket on this side. You got your wireless charging happening right here in the center. So it's a beautiful finish and a beautiful touch, man, dude. Love it. The appearance of this is absolutely stunning. Frameless mirrors on this side. You have your shade. I'm not sure if I can. Cool. So you do get this fabric lining for the suede finish, and take a look at the glass roof at the top. Beautiful, man, dude. Love the finishing that's happening all over this side right here. Wow, front, rear, a lot of settings, man, you guys can choose. Wow, Bentley cars are just unique, man. Beautiful. Very nice indeed. So this is me once again sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Of course, having a car like this, you need a driver to drive you around, perhaps, or maybe you can drive it yourself. Totally up to you. But yeah, let's now take a look at the lights that are currently already on. So first thing is first, my favorite among everything is this guy right here, man, dude. Check that out, man, dude. Absolutely beautiful, don't you think? Looks superb, man. Looks a real monster indeed. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous finish of a car, man, dude. Love it. Check out the lights. They are currently on right now. Can you see how they're shooting at you? Love how only half of it is actually turned on. And I believe this should be your high beam. Damn, man. Check that out, man, dude. Finishing is like so beautiful. So beautiful, man, dude. Now for the rear, let's also admire how gorgeous the rear looks like. You do get this amazing taillight design on this side right here. Absolutely gorgeous, man. Whew. Love this car. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal light look like. So that's on this side right here. First thing we notice is of course the mirrors. You do get the yellow dot right here on the inside. You do get some yellow lining on the outside. And for the side edges of the lights, you do get the side fully lighted up. The whole thing just goes away, man, dude. See what I mean? Looks like a real beast, man, dude. Absolute real beast. Now for the rear, you do get these linings right here. Check that out. Beautiful. Amazing indeed. So let's turn it off. So yeah. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Bentley cars, do head down to Bentley Kuala Lumpur, where you can locate this car and many other gorgeous cars that they have on display right here. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.